everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. I apologize, I'm still don't have a voice. I've been sick for a couple weeks now. Seems like it's been forever and I just can't get my voice back. But today I am doing a review on these metallic colored pins that I got from BeeBeeCraft. In this package there's 20 colors. I'm going to be using, there's 2 blues and a white and a gold that I'm going to use out of these colors for this piece. I watched NikiD Art. She kind of does some cool embellishments with her paintings where she does some, I don't know if you can see, I kind of started a little bit here just to kind of see what I'm going to do. I don't really know. I'm just going to kind of play around a little bit just to kind of use these pens and see what I think about them. So this is kind of inspired by NikiD Art. I'm sure it won't be quite as amazing as hers, but I'm just going to kind of play around a little bit here. Hopefully you can see okay and I don't get my arms in the way or turn the thing out of whack here, but so I'm just gonna kind of start playing around. I'm gonna start with the gold. I'm gonna just put some music on because of my voice kind of comes and goes and I don't want to cough and stuff. I'm on camera, so yeah, so I hope you enjoy. I'm just gonna kind of play around and embellish a little bit, so yeah, let's get creative. think I'm good now. I think I have enough. I'm just kind of playing around. Like, I've never done this before, so I don't want to overdo it. And obviously, it's nothing compared to Niki's because hers are absolutely stunning. But for my first go at it, I think I'm pretty happy with it. I don't want to overdo it, so I'm afraid to do too much. So I think I'm gonna stop where I'm at. So it'll be beautiful when I put resin over the top of it. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate everybody for watching. If you're new, if you enjoyed it, I hope you will subscribe and like and comment. That helps my channel out tremendously. And if you're returning, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys have helped my channel grow. I finally made it to 800 subscribers. And I appreciate you guys so much. I can't even tell you how much I appreciate you guys. But all my art is for purchase. If you are interested in anything that I have, or you want something similar to this but different colors, obviously I can't do an identical piece, but I can do something similar in different colors. I do commissions as well. You can email me at AmysCreativeAcrylics@gmail.com or message me on Facebook Messenger. My Facebook page is Amy's Creative Acrylic Johnson. And yeah, and I have Instagram and all that. Everything will be in the description. But these pins I got from BeeBeeCraft, I'm pretty pleased with them. The blue, I wish there was a deeper blue. Other than that, I think they're beautiful colors. The blue, they have so much shimmer to them. So they're definitely pretty metallic colors. Lots of shimmer to them, so I'm really happy with it. I will bring it down for a close-up so you can kind of see a little bit better how pretty they really are. But other than having a deeper blue, I'm very happy with them. I would recommend these. You get 20 of them in the package. I'll put a link in the description for BeeBeeCraft. They have a lot of amazing things to buy from them. Anything for crafting, painting, resin, jewelry making, everything you can imagine. And the prices are amazing, and it doesn't take long at all for you to get them what you ordered. But if you use the link in my description, it helps my channel out tremendously, and I would appreciate it. Yeah, with that being said, I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up.